In the last class, we discussed about addition. Now, let us discuss about and let us see how addition, subtraction, and all mathematics is applied in our daily life. Do we use maths in everyday life? Yes, of course. It will become clear as we see some examples. Let's begin with what we enjoy eating. How does the cook prepare the dishes? Wow, bel puri. Now let us see how the cook prepares the bel puri. See, let us see what are the ingredients for the bel puri. Chutney, pani, tomato, onion, masala, and and pepper powder, coriander leaf, and some of the jeera items, lemon. All of this together are mixed together, and then we get bel puri. Now it is ready to eat. Now let's look at another example. A table we use every day. Do we know how it is made? A tree is used, then it is cut into logs and wood. Then it is made into table by carpenter. The carpenter cuts the rough edges of the log and gets the smooth triangular block. Thus, he employs subtraction in his process. Here you see, he cuts the tree and subtracts the tree into logs, and he cuts the logs and again he subtracts and converts it into wood, plywood, and again he cuts it and subtracts it and makes a table. Let us see how to make a table by adding wooden blocks. Now you have seen the example of subtraction. Now let us see the example of addition in our daily life. There are four legs to the table. What he will do? He will add all the four legs to the table, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the table is ready. Now let's come back to school. Once school started, I'm sure all of you bought the stationery items. Let us watch that scenario. So what are all the items you have brought? Totally you have bought 70 items. That is 30 plus 5 plus 15. The items are not 70, but the amount is 70. Amount is 70 rupees. That is 30 rupees, 5 rupees, and 15 rupees. And you have 20 notebooks, 6 pens, 3 erasers, and 3 pencils. Here you can see in the previous example the example of addition. A farmer harvests the grains, packs them in sacks, and stores them in warehouse. He keeps adding bag after bag. So first he uses addition. 8 plus 2 makes it 10 bags. Now that is sold 4 bags. Now that is sold, and the sold bags are 4 bags. That is 10 minus 4 is 6. Now I am sure all of you agree maths is used in daily life. First you saw the example of Belpuri, that is the example of addition. Second you saw the example of subtraction, how a tree is uh, cut and subtracted and converted into table. And then you saw the example of addition, how the uh, wood and logs, wood and wooden plank are compiled together and made it as a table. Then you saw an example of different things like a farmer adding and a farmer subtracting. And then you saw the example of stationary items. And here we can see the application of addition and subtraction in our daily life. Now I am sure all of you agree that maths is used in everyday life. Maths is fun.